Hi guys, it's Shannon. Welcome to my channel. Today I am in a really fun challenge. It's a winter themed challenge and I have 3 really fun ornament dupes that I'm going to share with you. And a lot of my items I already had on hand. I didn't even have to go out to the store to buy any of these. So I'm really excited to share these with you. A lot of the items did come from either the Dollar Tree or the Dollarama as well. So I'm super excited to share them with you. I hope you guys stick around, subscribe to my channel, and just give it a big thumbs up if you guys do like this content. Let's jump right into crafting. All right, for this first DIY, I saw this little ornament, almost looks like a mistletoe. I saw it at Target when I did my cross-border shopping for $3 US, probably equivalent to about $5 Canadian. I already had one of these foliage type balls from the Dollarama. I believe they were only $1.50, and I've had it for a year or so now. I use it for my tier tray staging and whatnot. So I was like, you know what? It's been sitting in my cupboard for a little while now. Let's put it to good use. And I thought, why not make it into this Target dupe? So I'm just taking some of these white berries or the berry pick from the Dollar Tree. They are just like little white foam balls. So I'm just using my precision scissors to cut off several of these white berries and using my fine tipped hot glue gun to just glue them strategically kind of all throughout the foliage ball. So now that I've had the desired amount on this ball, I am just going to add a little ribbon. Now, of course, everything is not the exact same, but very, very similar, and it's all customizable. So even though you see something at a store, you can just create it to your own liking or your own color theme as well. So I just picked up this little peppermint candy cane type ribbon from the Dollar Tree, making a simple shoelace bow, just cutting the ends on an angle, and I'm just going to hot glue it just to the top of the ball. So I'm just going to take some of this jute twine that I picked up from Walmart, taking the brown one. I'm just going to create a loop with just a little knot. Going to cut off the excess, and I'm just going to hot glue it to the top just behind the bow to hide the glue. And that is really it for this ornament. So what do you guys think? Just showing you the before from Target, and then you'll see my version. Super simple, and mine actually cost probably just under $1.75 to make. So before we move on to the second DIY, let's go over this awesome playlist challenge. It is called Hello Winter. It is hosted by Ellie with DIY from House to Home. We have Tammy with the Rusted Willow, and we have guest host Lisa with Our Gray House. I am going to leave their links and the awesome playlist link in the description box below. Please go over and say hello and take a look at all these wonderful, talented friends of mine. So for the second DIY, when I was in Hobby Lobby, I saw these cute little wooden bead ornaments. It was 4 per pack for $4.99, I believe. I know Hobby Lobby did have a 60% off sale, but I thought, you know what, I already have everything on hand, so I'm just going to make the exact same thing, but with what I have for free. So I had these wooden beads. You guys know I've had these wooden beads from Amazon for the longest time. There was 3 different sizes, so I'm just taking the smallest size that I have. I believe these are the 8mm size wooden beads. I'm going to take 12 beads per ornament, and I'm taking some of the jute twine from the Walmart bundle, created a loop first, tied a little knot, but kept a long string after that, because that's what I'm going to use to thread the beads on, just using my good old floss threader. So here you see that they're all on, and now I'm just going to tie a knot with the excess jute twine and cut off the excess. And actually, before I cut off the excess, you guys know I love doing this trick, taking that floss sorter again and threading that longer piece of the jute twine at least through one or two of the wooden beads, so that way you don't have an excess piece of string just kind of hanging there. And you see me struggling here to get that thread through the bead. My hands were pretty cold, so my hand just kept sliding on the floss sorter, so I couldn't really get a good grip. So that was the struggle I had. So just cutting off the excess, taking again these berry picks. I absolutely love the leaves on this pick because it definitely looks like lamb's ear. So I think it's super pretty, super soft looking. So I'm going to use these in this DIY. So I just cut off a few of the little leaves, and I'm going to hot glue it to the top of the beads. Now, the ornaments from Hobby Lobby had a little white satin bow on each one. I'm going to customize it just a little bit, taking some of this gorgeous baker's twine from the Dollar Tree. I only saw this color this year. It's that nice deep red. I also got another one with like a deep sage green as well. Gorgeous colors for the fall and the winter. Just creating a simple shoelace bow and then hot gluing it to the top of the leaves and just cutting off the excess. And showing you the inspiration from Hobby Lobby to my version of them. What do you guys think? They are so cute. They're just like the right size. Could make them into earrings if I wanted to. That was another thought that went through my mind. And these are also great for like little gift tags on your friends' gifts as well. All right, guys, last DIY. This one was from the Dollar Tree. I saw a YouTuber show these on her channel. I thought, you know what, I can recreate that myself. You guys know these string beads came from the Dollar Tree. Yes, again, I have used my own wooden beads from Amazon, but this was already provided from Dollar Tree. Just going to take 10 or 20 beads total, and I'm going to color or paint 10 of them with the red acrylic paint and 10 of them with the white acrylic paint. Guys, this is a super easy trick. No need to go out and buy these. If you already have some old bangles lying around the house, super easy. If you have wire cutters, you can just cut them right in half or open them ever so slightly like that. Easy peasy. And now I can thread the beads through or onto the bracelet. And here I'm going to do the exact same. I'm going to thread 2 red and 2 white and do the same thing. 2 red, 2 white, 2 red, 2 white. And to glue it back together, I'm just going to take my fine-tipped glue gun and add quite a bit of hot glue into the center of one of the wooden beads and bring the other end of the bracelet in, or like slide the other end of the bracelet into that hot glue. And this is what it looks like so far. Taking some of these wooden trees. These wood trees came from the Dollarama last year or the year before. I know they always come out with these kind of things every year. I know you can get them on Amazon as well, I believe. So I'm just taking the smallest Christmas tree, taking some of these black stickers or letter stickers from the Dollar Tree, taking an S, again, customized. So I'm going to use an S for Shannon, putting it in the center of the tree. Now you could permanently seal this here with some Mod Podge. However, I did not do that at this point. Taking some of this red jute twine, going to make 2 loops, 1 loop so I can have a dangling part or a string dangling to the center of the ornament, and then 1 to make it into a loop so that way you can hang an ornament on a tree, if that makes sense. Now I'm just going to take my fine-tipped glue gun, add some hot glue to the back of the Christmas tree, and very carefully I'm just going to place the jute twine on the back of the tree as well, using my scissors just to push down so that way I'm not using my fingers and hurting myself on the hot glue. And just gonna add a bow, just taking some of this black and red ribbon, tying a simple shoelace bow and hot gluing it to the top of the ornament. I know the one from the Dollar Tree had just a plain burlap one, but you guys know I am customizing it to my own taste. So here is Dollar Tree's version, and then here is my take on that. What do you guys think? You guys know you don't need to go out and buy these things. You already know, if you are a crafter, you probably have all these items in your stash already, so it will cost you nothing to make these. I absolutely loved doing these ornament dupes. Tell me which one is your absolute favorite. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments. This was an awesome challenge. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you guys for stopping by. You guys know you can also follow me on Instagram, Shannon's Crafty DIYs. I do post some other fun things there as well. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a fabulous day, and we'll definitely see you guys at the next video. Bye.